From the cockpit view of the Airbus H125, we see one of the most advanced and versatile light helicopters in the world, a true masterpiece of aerospace, engineering, and modern avionics. Originally known as the Eurocopter AS350 B3e Écureuil Squirrel before Airbus helicopters, rebranding in 2015, the H125 continues the legacy of precision, power, and reliability that made its predecessor legendary. The H125 is powered by a Safran Arriel 2D turboshaft engine, delivering outstanding performance at high altitudes and in extreme temperatures. Its FADEC full authority digital engine control system automatically optimizes engine output, improving fuel efficiency and reducing pilot workload, a major step forward in rotorcraft technology. In the cockpit, the digital glass display system provides pilots with real-time data on altitude, navigation, engine performance, and terrain awareness. Combined with dual hydraulic systems and advanced stability controls, the H125 offers unmatched flight smoothness and safety, even in challenging environments, like mountainous or urban zones. Built with composite materials, the airframe is lighter yet stronger, offering reduced vibration, lower maintenance costs, and improved fuel economy. The helicopter's Starflex rotor head and energy-absorbing landing gear further enhance durability and pilot comfort during operations. The H125's modular design allows for quick configuration changes from passenger transport and aerial filming to law enforcement, medical evacuation, or mountain rescue missions. Its ability to operate at over 23,000 feet, 7,000 meters altitude makes it ideal for high altitude rescues and adventure flights where other helicopters can't reach. What truly defines the H125 is its balance of technology and pilot control.